Building a website, web app, or full online platform used to require coding skills, hours of work, and many tools. But now, with AI, some tools claim they can create complete sites and applications from the simple prompts. One tool that has been getting a lot of attention is MetaGPT X, also known as the MGX, a multi-agent AI platform that feels like a full development team working for you. And in this video, we will review the MetaGPT X and explain how it works, what it can really do, and whether it lives up to the hype or building the website and more. MetaGPT X is built on a concept called multi-agent AI, which means instead of a single chatbot responding to your prompt, several AI agents with different roles such as the project manager, architect, engineer, data analytics, and tester. They work together to build a complete product. This is much more like having a virtual team than using a single AI assistant. The platform aims to help beginners, non-coders, and creators to build the websites and web apps, e-commerce stores, and even data tools, all from natural language instructions. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you find tools that truly work without confusion. In today's video, we are reviewing MetaGPT X, the multi-agent AI team that claims to build website, app, and full-stack solutions from simple description. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try MetaGPT X for yourself. By using the description link, any available free trial or special pricing that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about the what MetaGPT X is. Actually, it is an AI platform that simulates a development team using specialized AI agents. Instead of a single AI that tries to guess your next line of code, MetaGPT X breaks down the project into steps and assign the work to different agents, like product managers to plan, architects to design the structure, engineers to write the code, data analytics to handle the data tasks, and quality agents to test the results. This collaborative AI team follows the standard software development procedure, so the output feels more coherent and organized than ordinary AI code generators. One of the most exciting parts of MetaGPT X is how it builds websites or apps from natural language. You simply describe what you want. For example, create an e-commerce website with user login and payment processing. The system takes the instruction, breaks it into small tasks, and each agent works on it part of the project. And at the end, you get working code, front-end interface, and even the back-end logic without writing a single line of code yourself. This means you don't have to know the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or server setup to bring your idea into life. MetaGPT X also integrates with tools like Superbase for backend logic, database management, the authentication, and even the payment systems. This enables the platform to build not just simple landing pages, but real applications with dynamic features and user data. Templates and presets help you to start fast, and you can refine the results if you want more customization. However, like any tool or technology, MetaGPT X has some limitation and criticism. Some users have noticed that while the idea is powerful, the outputs are not always perfect or ready for production without some manual work. The AI can sometimes struggle with complex context, which means you need to adjust or guide the agents to clarify your requirements. Some reviews also mention that integrations with external tools that are not as deep as some would like. So, connecting third-party services can require manual steps. There are also mixed with the user experience about reliability and performance. A few people report the bugs, inconsistent code quality, or unexpected errors during the build process, which can be frustrating for longer or more detailed projects. Some users felt the user interface was not as always the intuitive, and that learning how to prompt the AI effectively that took time. Others said the pricing and the credit limits become barrier when testing large projects. These experiences show that while MetaGPT X has promise, it may not be perfect for every use case yet. So that's all basically for today's video. If this MetaGPT X review helped you to understand how the multi-agent AI team works and whether it's right for you, give the video a like, subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more honest and simple tool reviews like this. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.